God, Scarn On has going past lads, mates. Some people saying cans also, but I'm not gonna be that rude to you. However, God damn cans! It's also funny. I mean, so many viral videos on Instagram nowadays, but I have a big respect to you guys. I arrived to the flea market here in Poland. So the flea market is at the front of the parking lot, actually at the parking lot in the shopping center where you have the supermarkets, usually the big ones, you know, like building store, the ocean, the supermarket, hypermarket and stuff like this, and some people coming here with some goods to sell. I usually mix match little bit of everything and nothing. However, it's winter, January, so it's the low season of it. However, still, but sunny days at least, so something is going on, but really not much, unfortunately, to film. So people selling like stuff, and this is the frozen pod, by the way, mother pod. Not much is going on, unfortunately, not much. The flea markets are very popular in some parts of the world. I know in the UK are very popular, but also in Spain, in Australia I heard they also, you guys have it everywhere around. Yeah, but it's so cold, I'm gonna tell you, I have to wear a hoodie though. Didn't find any super interesting, gonna tell you. It's 1 degree, beautiful weather as you see, sunny, sunshine. So anyway, let me know how you doing, guys. It's been almost 6 years since I opened this YouTube channel, and almost 2 years since we moved out from Asia, from Bali. As you know, live in Poland. So far we are good, thank you for asking. We are healthy, that's the most important thing. Yeah, let me know, what do you think? And what would you like to know? Whew. You know, tell you, these markets long time ago were better. Like, I remember when I was living in UK back like 15 years ago, even 12 years ago, there was like so many private people were selling stuff. Now it looks like attraction for the tourists a little bit, or for the locals who just wants to go out and then don't want to go to the supermarket or the antique store, because, you know, that's like an old cultural thing, going to the bazaar like this one. However, nothing interesting, and especially it's nothing cheap here. It's very expensive. Like literally better rent a van, go to the Netherlands. They have special stores selling so many stuff like this one, and you can buy everything and just sell it here. It's another way of business. Many people actually do so. So just only you have to know where to go in Holland, Netherlands. There are so many specialty stores. Either way, not much is going on. Beautiful weather. Gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Hope so you guys keeping well. And yeah, see you on next one. 6 years on YouTube. Well, the things didn't go exactly how I was expecting back in January 2020, but world's changed a lot since next month, actually, next 2 months. So it's also like this one. It's just like this one. Sometimes you plan something and then the thing's not going exactly how it's supposed to. Sometimes you don't plan anything and the thing's going actually pretty well, even better. So that's how the world and life look like. Alright, see you next one. See ya. Take care.